Today, I stand before you to share my accomplishments as the 8th President of the United States of America. Firstly, I take great pride in establishing an independent Treasury system. Through the Independent Treasury Act, we separated the government from private banks, ensuring the stability and integrity of our nation's finances. Secondly, I navigated the turbulent economic times during the Panic of 1837. By implementing fiscal policies and creating the Divorce Bill, we aim to stabilize the economy and protect the American people during this challenging period. Thirdly, I prioritized diplomatic relations and secured peaceful resolutions. Through the Aroostook War Treaty and the Webster-Ashburton Treaty, we resolved border disputes and maintained peaceful coexistence with our neighbors. Fourthly, I advanced the cause of public education. By advocating for free public education and supporting the establishment of state-funded schools, we aim to provide equal opportunities for all citizens and foster a well-educated society. Lastly, I stood firm against the extension of slavery into new territories. While facing opposition and strife, I believed in the importance of preserving the Union and the principles of liberty and equality that our great nation was founded upon. As I reflect upon my presidency, I am grateful for the unwavering support of the American people. Together, we weathered economic challenges, pursued diplomacy, and worked towards a more just and equitable society. Let us remember the principles of democracy, economic stability, and education that continue to guide us as Americans. May we honor the legacy of those who came before us and work tirelessly to build a brighter future for all.